I don't make how-to videos about bees. I'm making how-I videos about my bees. The difference is that a how-to video is done by someone who knows what they're doing. I'm just showing you what I do, and maybe one day I'll know what I'm doing.
All right, ladies, time to get to your new home. I know it's too bright out here for you. We'll get to work on that. First, let's get you into 3 separate packages. Okay. Now, since you are free, you go sit in the shade here. World of firsts, my first package. Let's take you over to your new home. To move these, we have some extra waxed frames here. We'll put those down here. Give you lots of room. Actually thinking the whole box goes in there. All right. Didn't want to turn this upside down, but I guess I'm going to have to. Okay, drop, guys. There we go. Some escapees and some crunchies. That's not great. Okay. Now, we're going to set this lady right in here. Okay, one more time, girls. Well, here's a mass of bees for you. Ladies, mind your bee space. Okay, first things first, we got to get the queen off to the side. Come on. Now this is hive number 4. we'll see how they do. They're facing backwards from the other 3 hives they're with. And we'll see if these guys climb out and find their mama. This is hive number 5. I'm really going to try to do this different. I'm going to just leave the cage in there. What should I do? I should take these 2 out. And these 3 out. And split these like that, leaving room for the cage, for the whole box. And then I'm going to come back quickly, take the box. I'm going to put the whole box in there with the queen cage, I think, still out of the box, but let these guys find their own way onto the combs, and then I'll move these combs back to the center. Okay. 1 bump. Well, 2. Alright, so just put this down in here. Actually, you know what? There's really no need to do anything, is there? Okay. This will be an interesting test. There may be some aberrant comb with this test, but that's why you test. And we'll see what happens. Now for hive number 6, I'm going to do it the first way I tried. We're gonna secure the queen. Uh-oh. There's a cork plug. I'm gonna have to go back. I didn't realize there was a cork plug. And we're going to manually release her. And that'll be a test of a third way, won't it? Okay, so she's down there and making everybody happy. Just walked off under a frame. Okay. Now, unbeknownst to me, I now have to go back and fix the other 2 hives. Well, so much for my big experiment. Now I'm going to have to go back into this hive with the whole box in it. Maybe this would be a good opportunity to let them settle. Okay, here we are in the bee mobile command post with air conditioning. Unfortunately, we don't have stereo. I've been making my notes, watching them. Time to go back out and remove some corks. Okay. And she's down in there. Not sure if I gave myself enough room. These bees look very happy with her. That's the candy end, okay. This doesn't really look like the right tool for this. How come on YouTube these things just pop right out? Let's see if I have a key that'll work. Okay, I'm gonna have some sticky keys. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, that was traumatic for man and bees. First time I ever needed car keys to deal with bees. I gotta undo my damage here. Open up these guys. Probably a crazy idea to leave these frames here, but I don't think they'll do too much mischief in the meantime. All right. Bye, bees. Best of luck for the next few days. Okay, here I am in the air-conditioned mobile bee command post, and I have a question. I just don't understand something about YouTube bee culture. Wait, let me turn this off. Here's what I don't understand about YouTube bee culture. All these people whose videos I watch, very informative, very good videos, great beekeepers. I learn a lot. They all have fake names. one guy named Jeff, he's JP. That's kind of understandable. The other Jeff is Mr. Ed. JP's friend Bruce is Shawi. Who else? Travis is Yappy. And Randy is Dirt Rooster. Why do all these beekeepers on YouTube have different names? Is it illegal? Is there something wrong? Am I doing something wrong? Maybe there's a tax on bees I don't know about. The IRS will be calling. Well, in any case, I'm going to stick with my name, Howard, and if somebody comes and gets me, hopefully Dirt Rooster will let you know. Have a good day.